Will testosterone replacement cause me to become more aggressive? There is this concept out there in social media or online that testosterone leads to aggressivity. And if we add testosterone, it's going to make men more aggressive. Is that true? Where does it come from? So a lot of things, there's some truth to it and some things that aren't true. So there are young men in their 20s who have normal testosterone who are at 1,000 or 1,200 and go and buy testosterone online in order to get bigger and stronger and get what's called roid rage. Roid rage is super physiologic levels of testosterone, which can lead to men becoming aggressive because it's way out of the range of normal. And these men ultimately probably didn't need testosterone from a health physiologic benefit. What we do in clinics is we take men from low levels up to upper limits of normal levels. And this doesn't cause aggressiveness. In fact, it causes men to feel better. So like a lot of things, there is some truth. Does testosterone replacement cause aggressive behavior? The answer is no. It comes from young men who have high levels going super physiologic and leading to what's called roid rage, which doesn't happen in the levels and the dosing that we do.